Hey, what's up good people? Trust you're doing fine. I'm super excited to bring this video to you. So in this video I'm going to discuss with you the Windows 10 versions history. Windows 10 is an operating system developed by Microsoft. Microsoft pronounced Windows 10 as an operating system that would receive ongoing updates to its features and functionality, improved with the ability for enterprise environments to receive non-critical updates at slow pace, or use long-term support milestones that will only receive critical updates such as security patches and others over the 5-year lifespan of mainstream support. Having said that, we have a lot to cover, so let's get started. So the first version that Microsoft released was the version 15.07. The first Windows 10 version is the original version of Windows 10, also known as version 15.07. This version of Windows was released in July 2015. Notable changes in this version included an updated start menu that now includes tiles which represent file apps. This was great news to Windows 10 users, as the start button was missing in Windows 8 and 8.1. Another notable change is the premiere of Cortana. Cortana is a virtual assistant in Windows 10 that will help users to talk to their computer to perform specific tasks. The update came with the ability to switch between desktop mode and tablet mode. It also included an action center, which included notifications and quick access to settings. A new browser was also introduced, the Microsoft Edge, which replaced the Internet Explorer as the default browser in Windows. Improved multitasking and also the ability to create virtual desktops was another notable change in this version. Many updated built-in apps were also available in this update. The final release was made available to Windows insiders on July 15, 2015, trade by a public release on July 29, 2015. Support of version 15.07 ended on May 9, 2017 for devices in the current branch and current branch for business. The other version was the version 15.11, aka November update. The first major update was the Windows 10 November update, aka version 15.11. This was the second version of the operating system. The first preview was released on August 18, 2015. The final release was made available to Windows insiders on November 3, 2015, followed by a public release on November 12, 2015. New features in this version included pre-installed Skype video, messaging and phone apps, tab previews and syncing in Microsoft Edge, and a visual and functional tweaks. The other version was version 16.07, aka Anniversary Update. The Windows 10 version 16.07 is the second major update to Windows 10 and the first in a series of updates under the Redstone codenames. The first preview was released on December 16, 2015. The final release was made available to Windows insiders on July 18, 2016, followed by a public release on August 2. The Windows 10 Creators Update, aka version 17.03, is the third major update to Windows 10 and the second in a series of updates under the Redstone codename. The first preview was released to insiders on August 11, 2016. The final release was made available to Windows insiders on March 20, 2017, tailed by a public release on April 5th via Update Assistant, and began to roll out on April 11. That version was followed by version 17.09, also called the Fall Creators Update. The Windows 10 Fall Creator Update, aka version 17.09 and codenamed Redstone 3, is the fourth major update to Windows 10 and the third in a series of updates under the Redstone codename. It carries the build number 10.0.16299. The first preview was released to insiders on April 7, 2017. The final release was made available to Windows insiders on September 26, 2017, before being released to the public on October 7th. Version 18.03 on April 2018 update. The Windows 10 April 2018 update is the fifth major update to Windows 10 and the fourth in a series of updates under the Redstone codenames. The first preview was released to insiders on August 31, 2017. The final release was made available to Windows insiders on April 16, 2018, followed by a public release on April 30, and began to roll out on May 8. Version 1803 was followed by the October 2018 update, also known as version 1809. The Windows 10 October 2018 update, aka version 1809, is the sixth major update to Windows 10 and the fifth in a series of updates under the Redstone codenames. The first preview was released to insiders on February 14, 2018. The update was originally made available to public consumers on October 2, 2018, but its rollout was halted on October 6, 2018 due to a serious bug that deletes users' personal files after updating. On October 9, 2018, Microsoft released the update to insiders, stating that all known issues in the update, including file deletion bug, had been identified and fixed. On October 25, 2018, Microsoft confirmed the existence of another bug which overwrites files without any approval while extracting from a zip file. The zip bug was fixed for insiders on October 30, 2018, and the public rollout of the update recommenced on November 13, 2018. Following that was version 1903 or May 2019 update. This was the seventh major update to Windows 10 and the first to use a more descriptive codename, including the year and the order release, instead of the Redstone or Threshold codename. It carries the build number 10.0.18362. The first preview was released to insiders who opted to the inclusive Skype ahead link on July 25, 2018. The update began rolling out on May 21, 2019. Notable changes in the May 2019 update includes a new write theme, separation of search and container in the taskbar, ability to post updates for 35 days or other, new default wallpaper also was featured in that update. The Windows 10 November 2019 update, aka version 1909 and codenamed 19H2, was the 8th major update to Windows 10. The update was delivered as a cumulative update to the May 2019 update. The update began rolling out on November 12, 2019. Remarkable changes in the November 2019 update included ability to create events from the taskbar, enhancements to notification management, including thumbnails representing notification banners and the Action Center in application notification settings, and the ability to access per application notification settings from their displays in Action Center. The Start menu also received an update where the side bar icons expand into a drawer with text labels when the cursor is hovered over them. The latest update of Windows 10 is the version 2004 or May 2020 update. The Windows 10 May 2020 update, aka version 2004, is the 9th major update to Windows 10. It carries the build number 10.0.19041. The first preview was released to insiders who opted into the exclusive Skip Ahead ring on February 14, 2019. The update began rolling out on May 27, 2020. Notable changes in the May 2020 update include virtual desktop are now renameable, faster and easy access to Bluetooth settings and pairing, improved cow emojis, introducing a chat-based UI for Cortana, crowd download option to reset Windows, and accessibility improvements. And that is the brief history of Windows 10 versions. Thanks for watching my video up to the end.